Here we have Billy E. Sessions. No one quite knows what motivates him to make that noise. Could be a mating call. Could be anything. All we know, it just scares the living shit out of us.
This is quiet. This is actually quiet. The most disgusting vile snoring I've ever heard. Sounds like some sort of mythical creature trying to pass through a fucking sphincter. Have you ever heard anything so vile?
Not in my life.
This creature reeks of vomit too. Gotta wonder what its diet is.
Here you can see the vomit stains.
That's not even his overshit that he had.
Typical.
Oh, it just gives me the chills just thinking about it.
We'll just let him be.
I'll stand up, man. I gotta wake up a sleeping creature.